I thank you for putting, that $250,000 mark, because after you get it, again, I've been told by some elders who do millions of dollars with the same NICS codes that we have, Kellen, you need to be here in DC at least once or twice a week. And we fly in from a different state. And I said, wow, just so they can work everything. So you have to
So
have money for that market.
yeah, so I agree with that person, right? So so Kellen, for you specifically, in terms of your financial planning for your company, if you're going into the federal market and you're positioned well, and there's enough solicitations that you're working with your Apex consultant on figuring out where the lay of the land is, then DC is such a insular market. It's so insular that anyone in the federal market, if they don't consider visiting DC and doing a little bit of business development on a yearly basis, it might be a mistake. I want to just be very careful. Might, right? It's all about how you operate as a marketer, how you operate as a business developer, and whether your products have great pricing.